what we're going to do here is try and sort out the back brake on a Lambretta, because the shoes, when you put them new, don't tend to line up very well with the hub. Lots of people are very disappointed by the quality of Lambretta back brake, so Lorenzo's just going to whip the hub off, and we can show you what the problem is in detail. Right, so one of the problems with Lambretta back brake shoes is when you fit them, what you end up doing is either the shoe touching at the front at the leading edge, or sometimes when the shoes are undersized they touch only here first of all, and the wear area spreads as they get bedded in. Sometimes they'll touch at the other end if they've been manufactured wrong. So you can use a Lambretta brake shoe skimming tool to get more brake surface area touching the hub when you first get the engine done, but it takes a special tool that I'll show you in a minute. This is first of all special cone, then the skimming tool, and then some spacers and a nut. Yeah, go on. Nice bit to have a motorised tool, isn't it? So. Okay, so taking off a load of material, which is now dust in there. Basically the shoe area should now meet with the hub. So we've just got to blow the dust off and then try a hub on it and see if the back brake works better.